vlog. So I'm heading there right now. When I get there, you guys will see a little clips. I don't think I can set up and do a whole like banging recording of doing everybody's makeup application, but I will show you guys little clips here and there. And I'll also be doing airbrush, as you can see from the title. So look out for that.
Who loves me, who makes me feel so bright. I don't wanna lose that somebody. So bright, I don't wanna lose that somebody. I don't wanna lose somebody, somebody, somebody. I don't wanna
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Guys, I am finished and that was a success. I don't remember how many clips I got or of what, but if you see this video, you reach this part of the video, that means it all came together. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.